Part 5. God say, come out. Genesis chapter 8, 13 to 19. Not be every open door you see you suppose enter. Wait for God instruction. For Noah 601st year, the flood water dry, but Noah no come out until God talk say, come out, him and him family plus all animals waka comot. Lesson be say, even when e look safe, wait for God's signal before you step out. No move just because situation look better. Let God lead you. Question time. How old was Noah when the flood ended? A. 500 years. B. 600 years. C. 601 years. D. 700 years. Correct answer, 601 years. Who told Noah to come out of the ark? A. His wife. B. The raven. C. God. D. The dove. Correct answer, C. God. Who came out of the ark with Noah? A. Only his wife. B. His family and animals. C. His children only. D. Just him alone. Correct answer, B. His family and animals.